In this video, we listed the 15 best self-defense G-jets for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, 9 Outdoors Hunting Deer Knife Set. 9 Outdoors Hunting Deer Knife Set, 12-piece field dressing kit. At a glance. Complete game processing kit, comes with a 12 boning knife, 9.5 gut hook skinner, 8.5 hawkbill blade, 8.5 capping knife, 12 gut hook butcher axe, 10.5 skinning cleaver, 8.5 bone saw, ribcage spreader, game shear, cutting board, sharpener, and cleaning gloves. Materials and build. Blades are made from 7cr17 Movi stainless steel, heat-treated 7 times for hardness and durability. Handles are ergonomic, available in camouflage or yellow leaf pattern, and feature non-slip grips. Portability, designed to be organized and portable, ideal for pack-out situations. Pros. Great value, users rate it as worth the money and functional. One review says the kit works great for handling 2 deer before needing sharpening. Comprehensive, includes tools from skinning to bonework, boning knives, saw, shears, axe, covering all essential steps. Product 2. Product name, Siren Self-Defense Alarm. The original Defense Siren Self-Defense Alarm is a compact yet powerful personal safety device designed to offer immediate protection in threatening situations. With a 130 dB alarm, as loud as a jet engine at takeoff, this keychain alarm is engineered to startle attackers and draw the attention of bystanders or emergency responders. Its integrated LED strobe light enhances visibility, especially at night or in low-light conditions, making it an ideal choice for women, children, and the elderly. Police recommended and easy to use, the Siren Self-Defense Alarm is activated simply by pulling a pin or pressing a button, depending on the model. Its small, stylish mint design allows it to attach effortlessly to keys, bags, or backpacks, ensuring it's always within reach during commutes, walks, or travel. This non-violent safety tool provides peace of mind by offering a reliable way to alert others and deter danger without physical confrontation. Product 3. Product name, Trekology Trek Z Cork Grip. The Trekology Trek Z Cork Grip trekking poles are a versatile and durable hiking companion designed for both men and women who enjoy outdoor adventures. These trekking poles are constructed from aircraft-grade aluminum, making them lightweight yet sturdy, ideal for withstanding rugged trails and long treks. What sets the Trek Z poles apart is their natural cork grip, which conforms to your hand shape over time while wicking away sweat, offering enhanced comfort and control during extended use. The poles also feature a compact, folding design that makes them easy to pack and carry, perfect for travel, backpacking, or stowing in a daypack. With an adjustable height range, these poles cater to hikers of various statures and adapt well to different terrains. Whether you're tackling mountain trails, forest paths, or rocky terrain, the Trek Z poles help reduce knee strain and improve balance. Product 4. Product name, Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3.177. The Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3.177 is a compact and realistic co-powered air pistol designed for recreational shooting, training, and target practice. Modeled after the iconic Glock 19 Gen 3 firearm, this airgun replicates the original size, shape, and control layout, making it a popular choice for both firearm enthusiasts and beginners seeking an authentic shooting experience without the cost or recoil of a real handgun. Firing .177 caliber steel BBS, the Umarex Glock 19 Gen 3 operates on a standard 12 GCO cartridge housed in the grip, delivering semi-automatic action and velocities up to approximately 410 frames per second. Though it lacks a blowback feature, this model benefits from greater co-efficiency and a longer shooting session per cartridge. The polymer frame and metal slide contribute to the realistic weight and handling, closely mimicking the live fire version's feel. This air pistol is ideal for backyard plinking or basic firearms training. Its fixed sights, integrated weaver accessory rail, for lights or lasers, and Glock license trademarks add to its appeal for collectors and hobbyists alike. Product 5. Product name Sabre Pepper Spray. The Sabre Pepper Spray is a compact, highly effective personal safety device designed for quick access and reliable defense. Featuring a quick-release keychain, it allows for fast detachment from keys, bags, or belt loops, making it ideal for emergency situations. Its finger grip design provides a secure hold, enabling more accurate aiming and faster reaction times under stress. This pepper spray delivers maximum police strength OC, oleoresin capsicum, formula, ensuring powerful stopping power against potential threats. With a 0.54 fluid ounces canister, it offers multiple bursts, and the built-in safety mechanism helps prevent accidental discharge while keeping it easy to deploy when needed. Compact and portable, Sabre's pepper spray is engineered for everyday carry and trusted by civilians and law enforcement alike for its secure, effective, and user-friendly design, an essential tool for personal security in unpredictable situations. Product 6. Product name Personal Safety Device. The Invisiwa Smart Jewelry Personal Safety Device necklace combines discreet style with advanced safety technology, offering peace of mind in an elegant accessory. Designed to look like fashionable jewelry, this necklace doubles as a smart personal safety device, ideal for individuals who prioritize both safety and aesthetics. At the core of its functionality is a hidden Bluetooth button integrated into the pendant. With a simple double press, the necklace instantly sends an emergency alert to up to 5 pre-selected contacts, sharing the wearer's GPS location and letting them know help is needed. For added protection, it can also integrate with ADT monitoring services, allowing access to professional emergency dispatchers 24/7. The necklace is lightweight, water-resistant, and designed to blend seamlessly with everyday outfits, making it perfect for commuting, jogging, night shifts, travel, or simply walking alone. Powered by a replaceable battery that lasts over a year, it eliminates the need for constant charging. Product 7. Product name Streetwise Pain Pen. The Streetwise Pain Pen 25mm stun gun is a compact and powerful self-defense tool designed for both women and men who value personal safety and discretion. Blending seamlessly into everyday carry items, this tactical stun pen resembles a regular ink pen, making it highly concealable and non-threatening in appearance. Despite its discreet design, it delivers an impressive 25 million volts of stopping power, capable of deterring potential attackers instantly. Key features include a USB rechargeable battery, ensuring it stays ready for use without frequent battery replacements, and a battery level indicator so you're never caught off guard. Its durable clip allows for secure attachment to a pocket, purse, or bag, offering quick access when needed. The rugged exterior enhances its durability, while their compact size makes it ideal for everyday carry. Product 8. Product name Black Folding Knife. The Black Folding Knife, RK0403BL, is a versatile and well-crafted everyday carry (EDC) tool designed for both men and women, blending utility, durability, and sleek aesthetics. With a 3.39-inch Tanto blade forged from 154 cm steel, this knife offers excellent edge retention, corrosion resistance, and strength, ideal for tactical applications, outdoor adventures, or daily use. The axis lock mechanism ensures secure blade deployment and easy one-handed operation, enhancing safety and efficiency. Its lightweight aluminum handle is ergonomically shaped for a comfortable grip while maintaining a low profile in your pocket. The reversible pocket clip adds convenience for both right and left-handed users, making it adaptable for varied carry preferences. In the context of the previously mentioned small pocket knife for men with a carabiner clip and compact design, the Black Folding Knife stands out as a more robust and feature-rich alternative. Product 9. Product name Munio Self-Defense Keychain Kit. Munio Original Self-Defense Keychain Kit in context. A compact, legal, non-lethal personal safety tool shaped like a stylish keychain, designed for close-range defense in surprise encounters. How it works. Dual striking ends. One end has a sharpish point capable of inflicting pain when used with force, while the opposite end, attached to the keyring, can be used like a flail by. Instinctive usage. Modeled after martial arts Kubertans, it uses simple hammer fist grips and whipping motions, no complex training needed. Key benefits. Feature advantage. Portable and TSA-friendly lightweight ABS material passes through airport security, legally carried almost anywhere. Durable design lab-tested, impact-resistant ABS plastic with fused artwork resists wear and tear. Endorsed and educational, trusted by police, military, and martial artists, comes with free ebook and video tutorials teaching quick self-defense tactics. Safe around kids, no risk of accidental spray or shock, intentionally non-lethal and PSI-approved. Product 10. Product name: Sabre Crossfire Pepper Gel. The Sabre Crossfire Pepper Gel is a premium self-defense tool designed for maximum reliability, safety, and effectiveness in high-stress situations. With a 1.5 fluid ounces capacity, this compact yet powerful pepper gel offers maximum police strength OC formulation, ensuring a strong stopping power against potential threats. What sets this pepper gel apart is its crossfire technology, allowing it to deploy at any angle, even upside down, which enhances target acquisition and usability during unpredictable encounters or while in motion. The gel formula reduces wind blowback, making it safer for both indoor and outdoor use, especially in confined spaces. Equipped with a fast flip-top safety mechanism, the Sabre Crossfire ensures quick and intuitive activation. Its belt clip provides easy and secure carry, enabling fast access in emergencies. Designed to help defend against multiple threats, this pepper gel is a reliable choice for those seeking professional-grade personal protection in a compact and easy-to-carry format. Product 11. Product name: Smith & Wesson Folding Knife. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops Folding Knife, putting it into context with its intended use and construction. General description. A tactical, EDC folding knife featuring a 3.1, 3.37 CR17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel blade with various profiles, often clip point or tanto, and a black oxide finish, sometimes with partial serration. Handle options include anodized or rubber-coated aluminum, occasionally with Zytel, a robust polymer, designed to be lightweight yet sturdy. Line-lock mechanism, dual thumb studs, an index flipper enable smooth ambidextrous one-handed opening. Built-in rescue tools. Certain models include mission-critical features like a seatbelt, webbing cutter, glass breaker tip, and line-lock safety, making them practical for emergency or rescue scenarios. Outdoor Gear Lab praised these additions. The Extreme Ops elegantly includes a webbing seatbelt cutter and a steel punch for bashing through glass. Product 12. Product name: Legal Pocket Knife. The Legal Pocket Knife, Model 6680, is a compact and versatile EDC, everyday carry, folding knife designed for functionality, safety, and tactical use. Featuring a 2.95-inch serrated stainless steel blade, this knife complies with most local and state regulations that restrict blade lengths to under 3 inches, making it a legal carry option in many jurisdictions. Always verify with local laws before carrying. Key features. Serrated blade, 2.95-inch, ideal for cutting through rope, fabric, or tough materials with ease, combining precision and power in a compact design. Glass breaker tip, a tactical safety feature useful in emergencies such as breaking car windows during rescue operations. Built-in seat belt cutter, designed for quick and safe slicing of seat belts, nylon straps, or similar materials during critical moments. Portable with pocket clip, includes a sturdy clip for secure and accessible carrying, perfect for pockets, belts, or bags. Product 13. Product name: Sabre Pepper Spray. The Sabre Pepper Spray and 2-in-1 stun gun is a powerful and compact self-defense kit designed to enhance personal safety in high-risk situations. This kit pairs 2 trusted tools, a pepper spray canister and a multifunctional stun gun, making it ideal for individuals seeking a reliable, easy-to-carry security solution. The pepper spray features a fast flip-top safety mechanism and finger grip for improved accuracy and rapid deployment under pressure. With a 0.54 fluid ounces capacity, it delivers a strong stream that helps deter attackers at a safe distance. Complementing the spray is the 2-in-1 stun gun, which delivers a painful 1.60 microcoulomb charge, effective enough to cause pain and disorientation in assailants. It also includes a 120 lumen LED flashlight, useful for visibility in dark areas and as a disorienting tool. The device is rechargeable, adding convenience and long-term value. Product 14. Product name: Big Rig Defense. The Big Rig Defense Hickory Stick Tire Thumper is a multifunctional tool specifically designed with truckers and outdoor professionals in mind. Positioned among other rugged, practical gear and accessories for daily tasks and roadside readiness, this tool stands out for its versatility, durability, and self-defense utility. Crafted from solid hickory wood, the thumper is traditionally used by truck drivers to quickly check tire pressure by tapping the tires, a method that offers a fast way to detect underinflation without a gauge. What sets this model apart is its weighted design and the inclusion of an extra grip-Oz handle, offering superior grip and control, even in wet or greasy conditions. This makes it not just a tire-checking tool, but also a reliable fish bat or self-defense baton in unexpected roadside situations or while camping or traveling in remote areas.